portable lithium battery rechargeable small sewing machine for the wood branches and other materials. The whole set with a box, its handle, and the main machine with two rechargeable lithium battery and charger using manual tools, another chain for exchange the wearing parts, the cutter chain, this for safety. Portable branches sewing machine. Connect this to the battery. One set with two battery to a rechargeable using. It's a rechargeable lithium battery. Connect this. Okay, it's ready now. Here's the cutter. When it's working, the chain is rotating. It's not very heavy and it's high quality. And this is the wearing part, the chain cutter wearing part, and the other tools. So after this wears out, you can change the new one to it and using as normal. Okay, let's test how it works. By this button, if you press letter, it's slow rotating speed, but if you push higher, it's high rotating. And this is prevent for the safety purpose. Let's test. Oh God! He said, I can crush our tree. Oh, it's so powerful. Oh, I like it. Okay, now. Wow. Okay, I'm a girl. I can't use it very well, but I believe you can use it very well. Oh, it works very good, very well. Wow. Oh, very perfect. And it's very easy to clean. When we want to charge the battery, we push here and remove it. This is bottom battery, and we charge the battery here using the charger. Lithium battery, very durable and high working lifespan. If this adapter is not suitable for you, you can use another. You use another in your local and then use this. Okay.